Hello friends, in this video we are going to see organ systems. It's a classwork question that we are going to see classwork questions. This is my sister's classwork. I bought from her for the reference for 5th standard students. Hard words: lymph, alimentary canal, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, pancreas, ureters, urinary bladder, vertebral column, nephron, neurons. Next cranium. Next trachea, pericardium, auricles, ventricles, cerebrium, medulla oblongata, peripheral. These are the hard words. And next answer in short. Name the salivary glands in our mouth. The three pairs of salivary glands in our mouth are parotid, sublingual and submandibular gland. What is respiration? Living organisms need oxygen to survive. This process of intake of oxygen is called respiration. What is the use of pericardial fluid? The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. What are the two parts of peripheral nervous system? There are two parts of peripheral nervous system: somatic nervous system, autonomous nervous system. What are the function of blood? Blood transports nutrition, oxygen, waste and hormones. It regulates water level and body temperature. It takes oxygen to tissues and cells and finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. Arrange the excretory system in correct sequence: urinary bladder, ureter, kidney, urethra. Kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels consist of arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. Answer in brief. List out the function of digestive system. The process of conversion of complex food molecules into simpler molecules is called digestion. The food we eat consists of complex compounds like carbohydrates, proteins and fats. It is converted into simpler molecules like glucose, amino acid, fatty acid and glycerol. Their simpler molecules are then assimilated either by blood or lymph in order to give us energy. Describe the structure of heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ. It is conical in shape. It is covered with double-walled membrane called pericardium. The space between membrane is filled with pericardial fluid. It protects the heart from shock. Heart is placed inside the ribcage in between two lungs. It is divided into four chambers, two upper chamber called atria, two lower chamber called ventricles. The chambers are separated by muscular wall known as auriculo-ventricular septum of the heart. Explain the three major parts of human brain. Human brain is divided into three major parts: forebrain, midbrain, next hindbrain. Forebrain. The forebrain consists of cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. It is largest part of the brain. It is the center of human memory. It is responsible for intelligence, memory, imagination and reasoning. Midbrain. It lies behind the cerebrum. It coordinates the movement of muscles of the body. It helps to maintain the balance of the body. Next, hindbrain. It is called vital knot. Vital knot. It connects the brain to spinal cord. Next, the diagram drawn label the structure of brain. Next, the income. She left one answer here, question here. So she continued here. What are the main parts of the circulatory system? The main parts of circulatory system are heart, blood and blood vessels. That's all. This is the next lesson. We will see in next video. One quick recap. Thank you.